Right now, Virginia, of course, is getting a little play. The courts have decided that yes, they can bring it to the courts.
Well, the landscape change comes if the states lose this case, because for the first time, the courts will have allowed the federal government to regulate doing nothing, inactivity, not buying health insurance as an economic activity.
We haven't heard much from the other 20 states that said they were going to band together and do something, because guess what? They have no standing. I'll tell you what, Washington is already realizing the error of their ways. Just this last week, they're wanting to repeal part of that Health Care Reform Act. And trust me, they will look at it harder and do that. As governor, the first thing out of my mouth when something comes across my desk is not going to be, I'm going to sue. I'm going to understand the implications first.
One of the law professors, George Washington University, Jonathan Turley, not a lefty, not a righty, he has said that if the states lose this case, it's the end of federalism as we've known it for over 220 years. And he's absolutely right. There's an awful lot at stake here that goes way beyond health care. This case is more about liberty than it is health care.
Cut the day after Obamacare was passed, and I said, and I will continue to say, that it is the greatest intrusion of federal government into our lives of anything that's passed in my lifetime. And I continue to believe that that's true. I believe it's unconstitutional, and I believe that the state of Wyoming should be joining that lawsuit with the other 20 states, and if I'm governor, we will do that.